headed just a few minutes down the road to a couples photo shoot with my friend Michelle and Alisha. They have this amazing camper van that they have renovated, and I saw them post some pictures of it the other day on Instagram, and I was like, we have to do a session in your amazing camper van. So that is where we're headed today, and I will take you guys along for the ride. I am home from my session. That was a super fun one. Like I said, Alisha and Michelle are wedding videographers, so they don't get to spend a whole lot of time on the other side of the camera. So it was just super fun, and we had a great time. It was the perfect weather, perfect day, and yeah. So if you'd like to see more content like this, let me know. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.